fact, here we are. But you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I just don't have the sump guard, so let's be very careful. Put the visor up so I can see properly. This is where the guy that was walking his dog ahead's probably thinking, you really don't want to go down there, mate, because you can't get out the bottom. And I'm like, I know I can't get out the bottom. That's part of the reason for doing it, because I've got to come back up. Oh, look at this bit over here. Not so sure now. Not so sure. I might have to move a rock. Oh, it might be alright. Actually, yeah. Oh, it's getting a bit rough now. Up ahead. You can just see the road in the distance. That's where you cannot join onto, so you have got to come back up. And I've nowhere to turn around, so I've got to go down to the bottom and then come back up. There's a bit of a drop to the right, as you can see. Right, I want to bridge those rocks a little bit on the left there. Oh, some nice squealy scratches down the paintwork. That's what I want. This is going to be fun on the way back up. It's going to be clutchy time on the way up, I think. Ooh, tiny rock strike. Now, because this doesn't have the off-road function, it doesn't have the automatic hill descent control. Now what I'm going to do here is try and go up, bridge over those two rocks, and it'll ground on the sills slightly. Ooh, like it did there. But yep. Ooh, this is getting quite rough. Well, I've got to come back up. Yeah, one way or another. Let's go to this side. That's the exhaust. That was probably the sump. Right, let's go to the left now. Actually, turn traction control off, because that might be beneficial to some aspects of this. Oh, that felt nice. That was something that I really don't want to hit. Right, best approach. I think at the moment this one. Alright, I've only got to get back up. Actually, put that back on because otherwise the car's going to complain. Just got to get back up. Slightly unhappy brake by the sound of it, but they work fine. And as you can see, that's a footpath gate. Yeah, I know. Well, I'm going to be driving into the sun now for the difficult bits, which is great. Good planning, but like I said, didn't actually plan this. different line. Oof.